Ever since the beginning, we've found new ways of moving around, to see new worlds, live new experiences, and discover new perspectives and ideas. But what so greatly advanced us has also hurt our greatest source of inspiration: nature. We started moving so fast that we lost sight of where we came from. We took so much, but forgot to give back. So let's step back. Step back and realize that we can do better. That more than ever, we need nature to lead the way to a fully sustainable future. Whether we move in small steps or giant leaps, there's only one possible way forward. We must act together. Act, not talk, because deeds go beyond words. Collaboration goes beyond selfishness. Sustainability goes beyond technology. And nature must go beyond profit. It's simple. If nature is the most inspiring force out there, there's no innovation without it. Kia, movement that inspires.